Every professional metalworker or DIY enthusiast should invest in nibblers for precise cutting of their materials. Since nibblers are the ultimate solution to bring precise cuts on various metal materials, professionals never forget to take them into their toolbox before starting any project. However, it can get challenging to choose the right one with many different types of nibblers out there. So in today's video, we'll show you 5 of the best nibblers for metal cutting that have optimum power and features to give you more bang for your buck. So without any further delay, let's dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Complete all your roofing, facade construction, and metal construction with the Fein BLK 1.3 CSE, a compact and rapid nibbler that brings precise cuts while ensuring easy operation. With a tool-free rotating cutting head, this gauge nibbler allows you to change the cutting direction to 45 degrees incrementally up to 360 degrees. It features a powerful 3.7 amp motor that provides up to 1,800 strokes per minute for a fast cutting speed of up to 7.5 feet per minute, allowing you to cut up to 18 gauge corrugated sheet metal quickly with ease. Weighing in at only 3.9 pounds and featuring a 16-foot electric cable, this nibbler offers you high maneuverability and user comfort for fatigue-free operation. In short, this Fein BLK 1.3 CSE 18-gauge nibbler is one of the fastest and easiest to use nibblers on the market, which will surely be a worthy buy that you can make. Eliminate all the metal cutting issues with the Makita XNJ01Z, a cordless 16-gauge nibbler that provides metal workers and contractors an ultimate portable solution for their job site tasks. It's equipped with a Makita-built motor that delivers up to 1,900 strokes per minute so that you can do the fast and easy cutting on up to 16-gauge corrugated metal sheets. Plus, this nibbler has a 360-degree rotating die holder that offers versatile features to meet all of the demands of cutting directions. With a convenient chip disposal, it prevents the damage of your cutting surface while providing 1 3/4 inch inner edge and 2-inch outer edge cutting radiuses. Moreover, it comes with a soft rubberized grip that ensures absolute comfort and control. At the same time, a lock-on sliding switch allows you to operate continuously. So if you have any jobs like roof decking, sheet metal cutting, or stainless steel cutting, the Makita XNJ01Z will get it done conveniently without the cord. Designed with the professional in mind, check out the Metabo HPT Nibbler, a cordless power tool that lives up to all your requirements for extreme cutting and meets every demand on the job site. This nibbler comes with a 2.5 and 4 mm hex bar wrench, while the convenient 180-degree 3-stop die holder lets you change the cutting directions to straight, right, or left easily. Packed with an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, this nibbler ensures a standout runtime for cutting a wide variety of materials, such as milled steel plate, aluminum plate, corrugated steel, and many more. With a no-load speed of up to 2,500 revolutions per minute, it allows you to bring smooth and fast results in a short time, while the one-touch quick-off slide switch provides enhanced safety. Weighing only 3.2 pounds and having a circumference handle with a soft grip, this nibbler facilitates super maneuverability and ease of use for your long-term operations. In order to get a versatile metal cutting nibbler that can meet all the rough and tough demands of the job site, there's nothing like this Metabo HPT. Next up, we have the DEWALT DW896, a 16-gauge nibbler that's highly suitable for every professional application because of its optimum power and capabilities. Equipped with a reliable 3.0 amp all-bearing motor, this nibbler allows you to do quick and easy operations while ensuring a long lifespan. Plus, it has a round punch that allows a 360-degree pivot and a rotating head to make sure you can change the cutting directions as the job requires. Apart from that, the gear case of this tool is constructed of strong aluminum alloy, offering you maximum durability and dependability for a wide range of applications. Furthermore, you'll be able to do one-handed operations because it features a convenient paddle switch, allowing you to complete applications without having any muscle fatigue. To sum things up, this DEWALT DW896 provides you with a huge number of features to solve all of your metal cutting issues. Now meet the most versatile and powerful metal nibbler on the market, the Makita JN1601, a great example of strength, flexibility, and durability to handle all your commercial job situations. This metal nibbler has a powerful 5-amp motor that delivers up to 2,200 strokes per minute, allowing you to cut up to a 16-gauge milled steel and 18-gauge stainless steel easily and quickly. Plus, it features a die holder that rotates 360 degrees and provides a 1/4 inch large stroke, meaning that you can cut in any direction depending on your job requirements. Also, this 3.6-pound tool has a small circumference barrel grip design for easier handling, while the lock-on sliding switch lets you operate continuously. With a built-in thickness gauge and easy die replacement, it assures you absolute convenience with less downtime. Overall, this Makita JN1601 metal nibbler conveys the most reliable and professional-grade qualities, which will be worth checking out before you start your next project. So that was the list of the best 5 nibblers for metal cutting.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to have more videos like this on your feed.